Hello everyone. Today we have Surds and Indices problem number 5th. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, MBA, CAT, GMAT, Railway exam, UPSC, MCA, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. Find the value of 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 plus 1. So, for this, first let 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 equal to x. So, we get 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 plus 1. This is equal to x minus 1 and x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here we write 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 equal to x. So this is equal to x minus 1. From here x square, and so we have x plus 1, and last two terms we take out 1, so we have x plus 1, and this is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1, and this is equal to x square minus 1 and x square plus 1. Now again combine both two factors, we have x4 minus 1. Now substituting the value of x, our x is 2 raised to the power 1 by 4. Now here substitute x equal to 2 raised to the power 1 by 4, power 4 minus 1. So we have 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 into 4 minus 1, and this is equal to 2 minus 1 and equal to 1. So our answer is 1. So value of the given expression is 1. I hope you liked today's video. For such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.